Yeah, just call me Mr. He.
Mr. He?
Yeah. That's my last name. My first name is Mapung.
Mapung?
Mapung.
Pung?
Mapung.
Okay, Mapung.
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 Yeah.
좌회전입니다. (800m) 앞에서 회전 교차로에서 두 번째 출구입니다.
Punch ko bigla.
Oh, excuse me. We go here.
Yes.
Yeah. Toilet. There. In the corner.
Straight ahead.
Straight
Straight.
ahead. Yeah. 그런데 저는 한국 사람입니다. Korean.
Okay.
Yeah, Korean. Yeah, 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Go straight in the corner. Turn left.
Saan na ba tayo? Straight lang.
Straight. Just follow the ways.
Yes.
Summer Avenue. Turn left.
Yes.
Your house?
Yes.
Your house. Why you don't know the place? You don't know the place? New?
Yeah, I knew there.
Oh, you live there?
Yes.
Where you from? Province?
No.
Whoa.
Different city.
Oh, here in
Yeah.
Metro Manila. Maybe you watching K-drama?
Yes, I
Oh,
watched
really?
K-drama.
좋아요.
I like Park Seo-joon. It's my love.
Oh, Park Seo-joon.
Yes.
Yeah. But more problem here. Tagalog kunti Tagalog.
Konti lang.
Yeah, kunti lang. Yeah, you teach me Tagalog.
Sure.
Yeah. You teach me Tagalog.
You know, mahal kita.
No, I don't know. What's your mark?
I love you.
Oh! 사랑해. Oh, yeah, 사랑해. Yeah, 나도 사랑해.
How long have you been here in the Philippines?
2 years here.
Oh, 2 years. So what do you think about the Philippines?
Filipino are very friendly people.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. I like the
You like
street
the
food.
foods?
Yeah, the street food.
Yes. What's your favorite?
balot.
Balot?
Yeah, balot. 맛있어요. 예, 좋아요.
masarap.
예, masarap. In Korean 맛있어요.
Masasoyo.
예. 야, 그런데 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name?
Kiefer.
Kiefer. 예. Nicole. 예. 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you. Yeah, just call me Mr. He.
Mr. He?
Yeah. That's my last name. My first name is Mapung.
Mapung?
Mapung.
Okay, Mapung.
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 Yeah.
I can't speak it properly, Can't speak it properly.
Yeah, Mr. He. Mapung. First name is Mapung. I have a Philippine name.
What's
I
your
have a-
Filipino name?
in the up.
Oh, it's in the
Yeah,
app.
it's hard to pronounce, but Philippine government give that name to me.
Mm.
Keeper?
Yes.
Nicole. Yeah, nice to meet you. Mr. He.
Hi, Mr. Head.
Yeah. That's my last name.
Yeah, that's your last name.
My first name is?
Mapong.
Yeah. So it's,
I know it na. Am I correct?
whoa.
The pronunciation of your name.
How to pronounce?
Mapong.
Yeah, Mapung. Whoa. 좋아요, yeah. Mapung. It's, Mapung.
Mr. He Mapong.
No. Mapung.
Mapong He.
Hmm?
That's correct.
Yeah, that's my name.
Oh, Christ.
Actually, I have a karaoke here.
What?
I have a karaoke.
Oh, karaoke.
Yeah, but we are only very short.
Short time.
Short ride, but
Yeah,
no time.
that's okay.
You do singing?
No.
Oh, you do. Your voice is bad. Yeah, you have a throat. You have a sore throat.
No,
You-
this is normal.
That's normal voice.
Yeah. Nagkaroon ng problema ang game. Whatever you want. Bum, bum.
Oh, yeah. You try one song,
No.
Yeah, you're
No,
you're
I'm
good
not.
singing. Oh.
No.
I heard you're singing.
No, that's not me. That's self. Wow, breathless.
Don't live there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, don't live there. Yeah. It's okay.
Ito na lang ba tayo?
Oh, ito na lang.
Ito na lang tayo.
You can just
Hmm?
drop off us there. Kiyomi.
To the right side?
Yeah.
Why? I
So
think-
that you will not go turn left na. It's so hard eh.
No, it's not hard for me.
No, it's hard because it's causing
it's okay.
heavy traffic.
It's okay, yeah.
Okay.
No problem.
Kuya!
Pwede po umikot sir.
Doon pa po? Doon pa daw. Ay,
Hmm? Straight ahead.
yes. Thank you.
Yeah, 감사합니다. Whoa. There.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just,
we can.
no.
Hmm?
It's okay here na.
Yeah, here na.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Here, Mr. Head.
Yay, salamat talaga.
Ay.
Salamat talaga.
Ay,
Salamat talaga.
Ayun talaga.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Ikaw na tayo. It's a...
Prank!
Yeah, na-prank kayo.
Ayun na!
Wait lang, may kukwento pa ako. Okay lang ba? I-upload natin?
Okay lang.
Ito.
Ayan! Si Kuya!
Okay lang ba i-upload sa aking social media accounts?
Sige lang, Kuya.
Okay.
Katatawa na lang po.
First
Ayan.
Thank you.
So nakakas kayo, no?
Ay,
Mm. It's a free ride.
ay, wala. Totoo ba, Kuya?
Totoo po.
Wala, thank you po.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Kamsahamnida. Mabilisan lang ito kasi medyo mahirap dito sa lugar na to. sobrang sikip namin. Traffic. Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida. Woo.